Okay, we're gonna make this part. Okay, this is an old soft tail aluminum sleeve goes in between the bearings on the old soft tail bike. Some kind of aftermarket piece of aluminum. Obviously, I've been making something out of it instead of what it was made for. Old chopper stuff ain't worth nothing, but it's worth a piece of aluminum. That's what it's worth these days. A piece of aluminum. Okay. 2 inches that way. We have 2 inches that way. It's pretty straight. Cut this down, see what we got. Low speed, we need high speed. We're in second gear, now we're in high gear. A lot of time screwing this lathe up, it's got to go to the job. Right speed, huh? We're going to cut it off with a hacksaw. Okay, so we're 2/100 from the tip there to here. We just turned it down to semi-round. And now we're going to measure it and see how straight it is. With any luck, it cut pretty true. Okay, we're right about on 0 on the mic there. And what do we got over here? Appears to be pretty close. We're on 0. Okay, now we look at the tents and see how far it really off. Okay, we are pretty damn nuts, right on 0. We're about half a thou higher on the side right here. About halfway the one right there, if you can see it. Right there, about a quarter of the way up, so got a half a thou taper in there. Not what I want to really see, but it is what it is. And we were at 9,875. Looks like we cut about 28 off, roughly. Okay, so this is our OD cut here. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut the ID out. Now we use a drill chuck over here. See how close this tailstock works now. Drill chuck. Okay. Not a very big bit there. Ourselves a nice number 5 center instead of a number 3 center. Big difference in size. We're cutting a big hole, so you want a nice big center. Yeah. What am I doing that for? It's already got a hole in it. Dumbass. Oh, there's a hole in there already. It's almost all the way in there too. Not quite all the way, but pretty close. And we're not quite 2 inches in. And I won't fit in there. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and make that hole deeper. So we're just going to grab ourselves a 1/2 inch drill bit. And where's my drill bits at? These should be 1/2 inch. We're close to it. Yep, appears to be a 1/2 inch. Use that. Okay, let's see what we get here. I spent a lot of time making this cut centered straight, but I don't know if you can see what I see, but that drill bit's way low. Way too stinking low. And that's because I cocked it way up over here to make it like that, to make it cut straight. But when you get the tip way out here, it's not correct for that. So all the work I did to make it do that don't work for squat. Yeah. Nice. You make one thing look good and everything else looks bad. So now you can see this is obviously a lot lower than what this is. See how much height you got from here to here, and look how little you got on the bottom. From there to there. And that's because I got all these shims in here, which is what it took to cut center when I cut this. It knocked everything else way the hell out. So wonderful. That's what I figured. Once you put something in there different than what we had, it'll be totally different, and it is. Pretty much pisses me off. It's a lot of work. Start from scratch. Every time I do something, starting from scratch. Okay, well I don't like this, so this sucks, so we're going to have to do something different. We ain't using this. That's for damn sure. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to pull all the shims out of this damn thing and start over. Wonderful. I like redoing stuff I've already fixed 3 times before. It's a lot of fun. Okay. I'm going to undo this one side. Okay, try to get these shims out of here. I'm going to take my 6-inch scale right here. I'm going to jam it in the back side of this thing. Try to pull them out. We're going to put this back here to catch whatever comes out the back side. Okay. See, I had some shims in there, see? Okay, those are all out. Nothing in the front, I don't think. Okay, everything's out. And that was 21.5 thou shims. Oh, nope, there's another one in there. Thought I had 23. Yep, there's the other one. That was 23,000 worth of shims. Wonder how much I really need. See how close I am. 23.5 thousands down there. How about over this side? 23.5. There you go. Okay, so now we're taking that all out. This is just laying there, nothing holding it. Go forward and see what we got. Now it looks like it's going to go in there like it's supposed to. What I need to do is find a drill bit that just barely fits in there correctly, so I can do some quick checking. Okay, half 13 drill bits. Half, where's half? 27/64. Theoretically, it should be this. Or it should be this. Reamer. That is not even close. So that must be bigger than expected. So I got a 9/16 thread. I thought those were 1/2 inch threads. Half 13, 27/64. Yeah. No. Obviously something bigger. Let's see, put that right there. Okay, let's try this big one here. Nope. Back to doing everything, just check until you find one that works. There we go, that one fits just fine. That's a good test. That's a 32nd, so what number is that? 13/32. Or is that 15? It's probably 15. Yeah, it's 15/32. Okay, let's swap out the drill bit. Put the reamer in there. Now if this chucks evenly, and this isn't bent, it should come out just perfect if everything's lined. And they're pretty nicely. I like that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and tighten this thing down a little bit. Tighten that down. And tighten this back up. Loosen that up. Tighten it up again. A couple times to kind of let it center closely. Put a little oomph on it. Okay, see what happens here. It slides in like butter. Where we can see it. There you can see better now. Okay, this goes in nice and easy, slides right in like it's supposed to. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and lock this down. I'm going to put it in and see if this goes up any as we go in. It doesn't appear to be going up at all. It appears to be good. Now we're going to turn it on and see what happens. Feel any drag anywhere? There are some chips there, so that means something happened. It did cut something, so it's not exactly 100% where it belongs because it removed metal. So, but all I can do right now is say it's close enough, but I don't know where it removed the metal from, which side, top, bottom, each side to side, I don't know. So I know it's not perfect, but it's close. So close enough to what we need. It didn't take out much metal, see it's still pretty tight. Just kind of lightly dragged. Alright, so that was a big loss of wasted effort. So that means this is still way out of whack over here, I bet. So we'll have to see. Right now it's a little bit further over this way here. But straight. But whether that was the direction it's off, I don't know. Unknown. We'll play with that in another day, not today. We've already been down that road 3 or 4 times. Okay, let me go find some bits here to use. I'll be back.